What's up, guys? Montana with Sawyer's Garage here. I'm going to be knocking out a couple little things with my Duramax. And I had a little incident with a CV axle that is no longer installed in the truck. On a day like today, it would be nice having four-wheel drive again. So, as you can see, it's a little drifty. It's not really the snowfall that gets you here in Wyoming. It's where the wind decides to put the snow. All right, so second issue here, truck is dead. So I guess I got a little bit of work ahead of me. All right, let's see if we can zap some juice into her with the old EverStart Max engine starter. It's only got a 50 amp engine start, so sometimes it won't. I might have to let her sit out here for a few while I clean out the garage. So. All right, so it's a little icy in here. Yeah, that ain't gonna do much. That's all right. I just gotta pull it in the garage there, so no big deal. All right, this should be a close fit here. Plenty of room. Heck yeah. One battery in, one to go. All right, got the headlight undone. Gonna go ahead and swap these bulbs out for some LEDs. Boom, got the new lights in. Yeah, that's about right. Remember, kids, safety first. All right, if you look in here, you will see a lack of most of a CV axle. The only thing that I left was just that outer cup. That way I could keep preload on the wheel bearing and keep my wheel from coming apart. But that right there is how I drove a couple 100 miles home. All right, new shaft is in. And I did torque down that nut about 176 foot-pounds, I believe. So now I just gotta hammer this dust cover back on. Boom. Now I can put the tire back on and we can go drive it. Got the wheel back on there, all torqued. So I guess the only thing we'll have to do now is to go test this thing out, shall we? Still blizzard. All right, I'm back out of the driveway. If I don't have four-wheel drive, I don't think I'm moving here. All right, seems like I'm moving. Yeah, I feel it binding. I think we're winning. There's my driveway. No one's been down the driveway yet. Not bad. Now let's see if I can get back up the driveway. That's most of the time the hard part. So I'm trying to do all this one-handed. I'm trying to take out my fence. Hammer on it. Oh yeah, four-wheel drive definitely working. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, let's get into my parking spot. Good work, guys. Excellent. I'm glad that worked. Which, I mean, I figured it would, but I was hoping nothing else got messed up when that CV axle went out. So I just ran up and down probably 2.5 foot snow drifts there, and yeah, I fishtailed a little bit, but that's part of the fun sometimes, is getting a little crazy in a controlled environment. You know, if I was cruising down the road doing 60, I wouldn't want to do that, but coming up my drive lane, no big deal. But other than that, man, I think I got new headlights, new batteries, CV axle for DriveWorks. I can now drive my truck again, so I'm pretty happy about that. So I will probably just catch you guys next time.